What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Roddy's Rides. I'm your host, Roddy. If you guys are new to this channel, go hit the subscribe button. It would really help me out. Next goal is 2,000 subs. I think we can do it before this coming December. So go hit the subscribe button if you're new. I upload every Tuesday. And today I have I have something that's a little bit different. He's a buddy that I've been going to school with. I met him my freshman year, and he has a lot, most would argue, cooler and definitely a lot faster cars than what I got today. But I'm gonna film my reaction of him actually taking me for a ride in one of his cars, which I actually haven't rode in him yet. So I'm very excited, but with that being said, let's get cranking and get to Chris's house, of course, so. By far the nicest yard in Steamville right here. Well, that half. What's up, Chief?
What's up?
How are you?
I'm all right.
Well, man, the car looks absolutely fantastic. Do you mind giving us a little walk around and telling the setup?
Sure. So, let me pop the hood while we're at it.
Well, first of all, this is Chris. He's got a channel, Backyard Performance.
Yeah,
so,
I'm older, but...
Hey, well, that means you got to go start uploading now, huh?
I will. I will. I've been wanting to for a while, but I don't know. I just got a lot going on. Haven't really thought of it.
Oh, fancy hood struts too. This is how you know it's a nice build.
I don't know about nice build. It's definitely a build.
Looks a lot better than my car.
Yeah. So it's a punched out and stroked LS1. So it's still aluminum block. It's been sleeved too, which is good because the LS1s for whatever reason just don't have a lot of cylinder wall. So it's been sleeved, which is good. It still gets a little hot, and I think it's because it's been punched out so far. I don't know. I'm gonna try a different, like I was saying, I'm gonna try a different radiator next. But it's got a S488 turbo, so it's an 8896, I think.
Gotcha.
It's T4. So a lot of people like T6s to make big power, but I don't know. It made over 1,200 at the tire. So.
Sheesh. Yeah. Damn, I didn't even know like that about this car. That's crazy.
Oh yeah.
That's badass.
It's pretty sweet. I usually keep it around like 18 to 20 pounds of boost, which is usually around 1,000 mil.
And dude, that's crazy. I thought you were making like 500 or 600.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm in for a ride here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh Jesus, what did I sign myself up for?
It'll be fun. So it's running off a Holley Terminator. So I don't have a factory ECU in it whatsoever. I kept the factory body control module, so I can still have my window switches in it because it's all power, everything.
What size injectors are you running?
210s.
210s? Gotcha.
Yeah, Bosch 210s. So they're pretty cheap, and I haven't even maxed them out. I had 80s on there. I think they were Deca 80s, so like 75 pound, and they're like 120. What do you call it? Duty cycle or whatever.
Gotcha.
So it's way too much.
Well, you want that in an application like this.
Yeah, you want a lot of injector, and I've got I know that flag is kind of annoying. I've got some room to spare. I have 4 different fuel pumps in it. I have 2 that are on all the time, and 2 that come on after 20 pounds of boost. So, and they're 2 Walbro 475s, and then 2 450s, and that's like 400 psi of fuel pressure. So But I have plenty of fuel system if I wanted to do like 2,000 horsepower.
Jesus. Well, you look very patriotic right now with the flag blowing with you. Exhaust on this thing, straight bumper dump.
Yep.
Looks badass, man.
Yep, it's a 4-inch titanium.
It's titanium too?
It's titanium.
God damn, you got all the goodies.
I wish I could show you the welding. The welds it's a bunch of pie cuts right there. It looks so
glorious.
badass,
I mean, you can see a little tease right there next to the V-band.
Yeah, a little bit. The guy did a phenomenal job out of Red Oak, actually.
And so, did you start off with? Is it on 3 turbo kit?
It's a Huron Speed.
Huron Speed. Okay,
yeah.
Gotcha.
And it's their I think a V2 kit. But I opted out on a few different things. Like I just use regular truck manifolds instead of their like $500 turbo manifolds.
Yeah.
And I deleted the AC too. That maybe why we need it. And then I let it sit for shoot, a year and a half. And then I just put this built turbo 350 in it, and and it had all sorts of problems after sitting for so long. I just decided to just put a turbo kit on it, and maybe that would fix it, but it didn't. So.
Well, now you have more fun, but you have more problems, right?
Oh, absolutely. And I think I've got mostly everything ironed out except for it just getting hot every once in a while. Like real
Yeah,
hot.
but it makes sense with 1,000 horsepower why it's getting hot. Like I said, I thought this was like 500-600 on low boost, right? I wasn't expecting 1,000 wheel. Wow, okay.
Yeah,
So this will probably be, honestly, the fastest car I've ever been in.
I don't know. You know, it seems slow to me. But
Well, see, I think that thing's fast over there. That V6 Mustang, I think, is fast.
I bet it is fast for what it
Quick.
is, for sure. Yeah,
Quick, not fast.
Yeah.
There's a big difference.
Yeah, definitely.
Nah, dude, the car looks great, man. I love how it sits, how it looks. It looks really good.
Yeah.
I like what you've done with it.
Yeah, and it's a small tire car, so it's a 28-10.5.
So 10.5 inch?
10.5 inch tire.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Try to keep it limpy rules. That way, if I can get in the race, you know, I'll have to switch tires out. I've got a smaller tire that used to be on the GTO.
You still have the GTO, right? Okay, good. I don't want you ever to get rid of that car, man.
I won't. I was kind of thinking about it after I got arrested a couple weeks ago.
But wait, drop the fact. Was it number 1 Holden, or what was the?
Yeah, it was the very first red on red 04 GTO that they brought over.
That's badass.
Yeah, I know. I didn't never. I mean, like there was a plaque underneath the hood, and it said number 1 of whatever 350 or however many there were in 2004. And then I just kind of was like, okay, that's kind of cool. Maybe he just bought it, but it's got a dealer package, and they call it an HSV package. And it was the first 10 of each color, like each color combination got like a special roof spoiler and special steering wheel, and I didn't ever know that.
That's badass.
Yeah, some older GTO guy told me that. And I'm like, oh shit, that's kind of cool, because I didn't pay a whole lot for the car. But,
So is it stripped interior in the back?
yeah, it's.
Can we open this real quick?
Yeah, it's completely gutted.
Wow.
Except for the carpet, and I just don't really want to take the console out.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Eventually, I'll take the carpet out too. It probably smells bad.
Once you got that adult money, huh? Well, clearly you got some kind of money over here.
I don't know. I'm very irresponsible. Really. But yeah, I vacuumed it for the first time in a couple of years just today. So.
Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah. It looks awful, man. It was bad. But.
Do you have any gauges in here?
Yeah. So I have a normal analog boost gauge, and then I've got speedometer, a GPS speedometer, and then the factory Holley touchscreen that has all the.
Oh yeah, with the Holley. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. I was like, man, all this looks like pretty much stock on the inside, besides the bucket and of course stripped interior. But
yeah,
it looks very good, man. I like it.
Yeah. Now that the dash is all messed up, I think when I go to put a cage in it, got to take the dash out anyway. And when I'm there, I might as well delete the heater box. And then since I'm in there and the dash is messed up, I think I need to go with a fiberglass dash.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but it's one of those snowball things.
Yeah, you start with it's already out. Might as well, right? Yeah. Just keep going and going.
Which is hence why I haven't even put a cage in it yet, because that's just these things are so hard to work on. But
well, sweet. I'm excited to hear this thing.
Yeah.
Very surprised with the stock suspension that this thing just rolls.
Which is kind of why I wanted to keep the stock as stock as I could.
But it doesn't feel floaty, which is like Like I can tell it's stock suspension, but it doesn't feel like,
like
it's fighting itself. You know what I mean?
Doing a cabbage patch.
Yeah.
Might be able to do a little something. That was 20-ish pounds.
So what do you think? Like 900 on that?
950.
950? This thing is sick, man. Chris, you're doing something to me. I might have to get an LS.
Man, you're so fun.
Thank you again for the ride, man. This is badass.
Absolutely.
So alrighty, if you guys did enjoy any of this or enjoyed Chris's car, I don't know where he just went, somewhere in there. Go down, check out his YouTube, and I'll also link your Instagram too down in the bio.
Cool.
Go check his channel out, go follow him, and hopefully we'll see some future content.
I'm hoping so. I took some videos today, so we'll see.
Hell yeah, well, thank you again so much, Chris,
absolutely.
and hope you
fun.
guys enjoyed this video. Roddy's Rides, out of here.